What's going on, guys? In this video here, we're going to be addressing the lighting situation in the shop. As you can see, like over here in the corners and stuff, it's pretty dark. I already did the under counter lights, and now it's time for the roof. So I need to make this side right here, which I just got 8 T8 4-footers. I need that side to look like this side. These are all upgraded to the LED 4-foot light or 4-footers T8s, and got conduit running through there. Added a single one there on that corner, in the middle, and over there, just to get some lighting around. I went with 5K on these lights. I might upgrade to the, it's not even really an upgrade, it's just a color preference, 65K, because these over here are 65. And the thing with fluorescent is that the light goes around the whole light bulb and it bounces off of the reflector up there. And so it does look a little bit brighter on camera, but these here, these are very nice. I just don't know if I really like the color or not. My under counters are 5K. But yeah, I'm not going to get into wiring or how-to wiring because I just know how YouTube and all the comments work with that. So we're not going to get into that. I'll do like just what needs to be done. Basically with LEDs, you don't run the ballast. So you have this tombstone here, and this tombstone here. What we're going to do is cut this section out, get rid of the ballast completely, and then run your hot and neutral line right into each tombstone. And I'm got to do that to 3 lights, and so let's just get started. A little time lapse.
I'm going out of Barrina, yeah, and I know I sound dramatic, yeah, but I know I had to have it, yeah, for the money I'm a savage, yeah, I be using like I had it, yeah, I'm surrounded 20 babies, yeah, but they think I'm a legend, yeah, everyone wanna act like they important, but all that mean nothing when I saw my door, yeah, everyone counting on me, drop the ball, yeah, everything custom like I'm at the bottom, yeah, if you fuck with winning, put your lighters to the sky, how could I make sense when I got millions on my mind, coming with that bullshit, I just put it to the side, all the sense of baby, make you see it in my eyes, say congratulations.
And jumping ahead just a little bit, this is kind of the finished product of the interior. Still got all the lights on the outside to do, the porch and all the spotlights and floodlights and everything like that. Still got to be done, but this is the end of that. Just got some the conduit connecting it all together, which did kind of actually strengthen the roof. I mean, of course it's just conduit, so it's not going to be anything great, but it doesn't actually sway when you push side to side. That's done. They're all LED. They are the which ones are those? The 5K. So they do match the under counter lights. The 5K, I might switch to 65 again. I might have already said that in the video, so that might be done. But right now everything is good lighting everywhere in the corner. You know, every side like I wanted to here. The only one that I did offset a little differently was this middle one here, just because it's going to be middle lighting. Like I don't even have the side or under counter lights on. Let's see what that looks like on camera. So there you go. Hold on, GoPro's acting up. So if you guys like the lighting in here, if you think it's good, say I'm like working on something right here, around. It's good lighting for the videos. I'm not sure, so this is all just kind of a test. I can add more later on, of course. Those are on, so yeah. Kevin Sportsman's back over here, about to get started on that. Technically the shop is pretty well ready to go. I'm just going to finish up the sink. I'm working on the security cameras now. That is what this new TV up here is for the actual TV and cable. That one up there is for the security cameras. And I might get another one for more cameras later, but yeah, lighting is done. I like it. It's bright. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next shop update. Thank y'all.